In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Alright, as you can see here, these are the carrots that I harvested from my garden, and those who may recall that I had started from seed. And now it's grown to full fruition. I have the spinach here as well. And I learned that carrots can actually stay in the ground all winter. Some could choose to harvest before early spring, or before spring rather. And over here we have some greens, the avocado, from seed to tree. It's getting there, slowly but surely. And we have our peas going there, and so forth. Thank you for watching, and God bless.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner,